Everyone says rocks fall faster than feathers. But why? I'm going somewhere with no air. To find out, the moon! Woohoo! Interesting. Up here with no gravity, they both float the same. But does gravity make the difference? Let's land and see. Whoa! Low gravity makes me feel like a bouncy ball. Whoa! Rock. Feather. Dropping in 3, 2, 1, drop! They landed together? How? On Earth, air pushes against the feather and slows it down. But here, no air! Gravity pulls everything equally. Gravity, the great equalizer. See you on the next planet!